How to add recovery email in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add a recovery email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, tap onto settings at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find privacy and security right here. Now tap on it. Now to add the recovery email, tap on to two-step verification right here. Select it. Now tap on to set additional password. Now only by setting the password, you will see an option set recovery email. Now simply set a password. After that, tap on to create password. Now after setting it, you can simply see here recovery email. You can set a recovery email to be able to reset your password and restore access to your Telegram account. Simply add your recovery email, just like this, and tap on to continue. Now a code has been sent to your email, simply add it. And after that, here you can see you have simply added the recovery email. And that's it. This is how you can add a recovery email in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.